This video is sponsored by SimpliSafe.
What's up, Bracket family? Welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I have some Dollar Tree high-end products to share. These are products that have a very luxurious look to them. They look like products you can buy somewhere else for a more expensive price. The first product I would like to share with you guys, this is something that you can find at almost every single Dollar Tree. It is their clear dinnerware.
You can style these so nicely and do a really pretty tablescape.
They carry plates, salad plates, bowls, mugs, cups, wine glasses, and margarita glasses. I have seen plenty of weddings that use these type of plates for their landscapes. I think they are a great price even with the 25-cent increase. They just have a nice clean look to them. You can pair these with the Dollar Tree chargers. They have a gold one, a silver one.
They actually have like all black plates as well, and I feel like those pair nicely with the clear glass ones.
You can get the clear and the black and pair them together and get a really beautiful, luxurious look. You can get some gold silverware and pair it with these pieces, and I feel like it looks beautiful and high-end. It looks like you bought this somewhere else that wasn't Dollar Tree. Another piece that pairs well with that dinnerware are the marble pieces from Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have glass plates and sometimes plastic plates. These ones are plastic plates. I feel like these are great pieces for $1.25. This is the last dinnerware piece I had to share with you guys, and it's more temporary. It is these ready sets from Dollar Tree. There is a napkin, and the silverware comes inside of the napkin. It's already done for you, so you don't have to wrap the silverware inside of the napkins and place that on top of your plates or your tablescape. You just put them exactly how they are on top of the plates. This is an amazing product you can get at Dollar Tree right now, this frosted window film. Now this is something that I have used before inside of our bathroom. Our bathroom has a regular window, it's not frosted, and it faces our neighbor. So we actually used frosted window film, placed it right on top of the window so our neighbor can't see through it. So we can't see out the window, they can't see through the window, but we still get sunlight through our bathroom window. I love it. We didn't have to go out and buy a different window so they couldn't see directly inside of our bathroom. Yes, you can put a curtain on, but I always feel like the right angle, you can look through a curtain. So we put the film there, and I love it. The film we used wasn't this particular film, but this does the same thing. This is 11.8 inches by 47.2 inches. So you might need a couple of packs of these depending on what you're doing, but I do really like this film. It's just a great temporary privacy film, especially if you are a renter or you don't want it to be permanent within your home. These are great. Next up on our list, the Dollar Tree framed mirrors. I especially like the framed white ones. Now the reason I love these is because you can pair multiple ones of them to make a big mirror that resembles Pottery Barn mirrors. You can take these mirrors and just create a beautiful piece for an inexpensive price. It is an item that I think is well worth that money and gives you a really nice high-end look.
Okay, one of my favorite things are the Dollar Tree mirrors. So they're candle holder mirrors, but you can make the prettiest high-end DIYs with these mirrors. And I feel like mirrors make anything look really nice.
These are meant to put candles on top of, but you can make a bunch of beautiful DIYs with these pieces. I've done so many. I like to use the circle ones with the Dollar Tree styrofoam. You layer these two pieces together and you can add some mirror ribbon to make some really glamorous pieces. I think these are a great price. Next up, the salt and pepper shakers from Dollar Tree. You can find the diner looking ones that are 2 for $1.25. I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about these ones that have a very chic look to them with this silver top. Now what you can do is pair these with some labels. I'll link the ones I made down below. You just have to print them out on some label paper, sticker paper. You can even get waterproof labels if you want. And you just put these on the front of the glasses and you have a very chic look to your spices, especially if your spices are displayed outside of a cabinet, which mine are. I think these are a great price. You can find something similar at Hobby Lobby for about $1 when they're on sale, but they're a little bit smaller. So I like the size of these, and I think that they have a very luxurious look to them once you add those labels. But even on their own, They still have a luxurious look. It's just then you have to know exactly what you stuck inside of these if there's no label on them. This is a funny one, the stainless steel drinking straws. These come with 4 straws and a brush to clean out your straws. And I really, really like reusable straws. Reason being, in Chicago, you go to some restaurants where they have paper straws and I hate them. Tell me if you don't mind them in the comments, because I feel like most people mind them. As you drink, the straw starts to dissolve on you. So I like having straws on hand, and I literally have some inside of my car because I don't really carry a purse around, and it's just in case there's a paper straw, because I hate those things. At the end of the day, you start drinking paper. So these I think are a great piece, and though I wouldn't say they're luxurious, they are products that you will find at those stores where it's a little bit more high end, costs a little bit more money, but you can get them for $1.25 at Dollar Tree.
Okay, I absolutely love the push lights and the tap lights from Dollar Tree. These are great because I just feel like you take this, you put this in your kitchen, it makes things look more high-end in your kitchen. It makes it look like you have a smart kitchen. And these just come in useful, especially inside of areas in your house where it's really, really bad lighting. I like the tap light ones more than the push lights, but I still like both of them. These just work way, way better.
This is a product that is new to Dollar Tree, and I've used it before on my channel. It is the mop and broom holders. I love these pieces. They cost more if you go buy them elsewhere, if you get the command hook kind. Basically, you can screw this into your wall or use the adhesive that is on the back. And this creates so much space to hold your cleaning supplies up on the wall versus down on the ground. So your mop, your broom, there's a little hook here too if you have something that can hook off of it. This really helped clear up my closet and give me more space for my vacuum. I had a bunch of brooms and pieces like that on the ground, and now they are up on the wall, and it looks so much better than before.
And now let's talk about our sponsor for this video, SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe is serious home security made simpler. SimpliSafe is the security system experts trust. US News, PC Magazine, and Popular Science have all ranked SimpliSafe Home Security as the best home security of 2021. In fact, US News just named SimpliSafe the best home security of 2022 as well. SimpliSafe systems ship directly to your door and can be set up in around 30 minutes. It's so easy to set up because it's wireless. The indoor camera you just plug into your wall and set up on your phone. The outdoor camera you just have to screw in the base and place the camera right on top. The motion detectors you just have to peel the backing off, exposing an adhesive you just place on your wall. No need to schedule a service appointment or wait around for a technician to show up. Once set up, your home will be protected 24/7 by SimpliSafe's professional monitoring services. Having experienced my car being stolen and another car being broken into in the past, I knew once I owned a home of my own, I get a security system. SimpliSafe makes me feel protected. Every time someone opens a door, our entry sensor alerts us. SimpliSafe's Video Doorbell Pro and outdoor camera alerts us if any motion is going on outside of our home, which is exactly why I wanted a security system. When I'm not home or I'm asleep at night, I like having that peace of mind that if anything is going on outside or inside, SimpliSafe's professional monitoring service is ready to dispatch police or firefighters in case of emergency 24/7. I can see both the outside and inside of my home with just a click of a button on my phone. Save 20% on your SimpliSafe security system when you sign up for an interactive monitoring plan and get your first month free. Visit simplisafe.com/bargainbethany to learn more.
If you watch my channel often, you know I love Dollar Tree picture frames. Now, not all Dollar Tree picture frames have that high-end look, but there are ones that really do. They have gold ones. My favorite ones in particular are the gold and black ones. I have a few of these in my basement. You compare them with actual pictures or artwork, I think that they are beautiful for the price. I will say this, that Dollar Tree picture frames could be a bit flimsy, so you have to be careful when you're taking the back off, but at the price is still worth it. If on chance like something breaks a little, you just fix it. I just feel like Dollar Tree does a great job at offering picture frames that have a beautiful look to them at an affordable price. I love the bamboo cutting boards that Dollar Tree carries. I think they're great for mini charcuterie boards. If you're having brunch, dinner, people over, maybe have a few of these around the table so they're easier to grab at versus one big one just sitting in the middle. I think it's a great price for the size, and they do have 2 different tones. I've noticed they have the lighter one and a darker one. These are newer to Dollar Tree, hooks, and I really like this gold one in particular. Obviously, hooks come in so handy, especially in your entryway when you need somewhere to put your coat, something more temporary, a purse, anything of that nature. But I really do like these gold ones. They have different ones to choose from, but these gold ones I feel like have a very nice look to them. So Dollar Tree carries wall adhesive tiles, but the one I like the most is the Subway tile. Now this is the thing about them. I'm going to link a few videos I've watched down below where they discuss the tile over time. The adhesive on the back apparently starts to lift. I decided to do this inside of my kitchen on a wall to show you guys how it looks. And I think that this is a great price if you're looking for something on a budget. Amazon carries similar ones that are better quality, but they cost you more money. So if you are a renter and you're looking for something that is very inexpensive and just want like a different look to your kitchen, I would go this route. I'll say this, it doesn't necessarily look realistic, but it doesn't look bad. I feel like if people don't know that you stuck something on the wall, then people are really going to be able to tell that it's fake, because you're not really staring at tile like that. You kind of just stare at it as a whole. What I recommend doing though is buying a few from Dollar Tree, taking it home, see if you like it. If you like it, then go back and buy more, because like I said, this is something where it's a certain type of taste. You might like it, you might not like it, but I personally think it's a great price if you are looking for something on a budget. From my personal experience so far, the worst part about it though is when you have to cut pieces of the tile out. So I had to cut piece out for my electric socket, and that looked funny. You have to take the adhesive off and just stick it directly on the wall, either using like some command strips or a spray adhesive instead, or maybe a double-sided tape, because it bunches out and looks really, really funny. You can also use these on some Dollar Tree foam board and use them as a backdrop if you do photography. I love this stuff for organization, especially bathroom organization. It is the candy jars from Dollar Tree, the ones that have a lid. They carry a smaller size and a bigger size. And I just like to put cotton swabs inside of these cotton rounds. Right here we just got some normal cotton balls, and I just put this inside of the bathroom. It's a nice way to display these pieces. It's convenient. You just pull one out, close the lid. It's a piece that I think is great for $1.25.
These are great quality. So what these are, you put your dish soap inside of here or whatever, and then like you press it, and that's how you clean it out. And I like this other one that they just got in recently. Another thing are these domes, and they recently brought them in a bigger size because they used to only have the smaller size, and these domes are really, really nice.
I personally would spray paint the base gold. You can put florals inside of this. You can put some fairy lights inside of this and pair it on top of some Dollar Tree books. Dollar Tree carries a bunch of books. You want to look for a spine that you like, whether it be black, white, gold, whatever you can find at Dollar Tree, at least 2 different sizes, and I feel like you just get a really pretty look on a very small budget.
I like these from Dollar Tree. It's their silver platters, but I like to put little glasses on top of these. These are nice.
Anything with marble automatically has that luxurious high-end look to me, even when it's like not real marble. Dollar Tree has the contact paper. So this is 12 inches by 30 inches. So if you have drawers, cabinets where you don't want things to move around too much, you use the contact paper. Or maybe you bought a house like we did and the shelves aren't necessarily the cleanest. You did your best to clean them. You still don't necessarily trust them. So you can put these liners on top of the shelves and just kind of have a clean slate. I really like the marble one because it gives you that luxurious look. I think this especially looks nice with white cabinets. We have brown cabinets, but with the white cabinet, I feel like it's like beautiful.
Clear storage from Dollar Tree. You guys know this if you watch my channel often. I think this is such a great price for something that looks really high end.
This is another one where you guys might be like, Dollar Tree hand soaps. Hear me out. Any container that you like, all you have to do is take the label off and put a new one, and you have something that looks like you bought it somewhere else and not at Dollar Tree. Another thing you can do is if you find a bottle from Dollar Tree where you really like the top of it, so I really like the silver here and the pump on this one, you compare it with a bottle from Dollar Tree that you like. So I really like the brown one here. I compare these two together and get a new look. It's just so easy to get a label, put it on something from Dollar Tree, and instantly make it look like something that is more high-end and you didn't get it from Dollar Tree.
Okay, so these on their own don't look high-end, but you can make some high-end looking pieces with these to hang whatever you want, but I especially like to make them as mug racks. You can make big pieces. You can just put them directly on your wall. You can spray paint them to match your decor. I do like these a lot.
You can find planters at Dollar Tree that really suit that high-end modern look.
The planters are really, really nice here if you get these too. I think these are like high-end looking planters. I really like these planters because they have the string like this.
They have ones in really pretty, interesting shapes and colors that are just plain and solid like black that go with that modern look. You can even spray paint them if you want. I got this black one right here, you know, just throw some greenery inside of it and there you go. It looks so much better than the plant just like this. Do that. Now I did have to throw, you know, some tissue inside of there for the plant to stick up a little bit more. So if your plant sinks to the bottom too much, throw some tissue inside of theirs. So that's it for these Dollar Tree high-end products. Let me know if there was anything I missed out in the comments below. Again, thank you to Simply Safe for sponsoring this video, for being such a big support to this channel. I really appreciate it. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Take care. Bye.